everywhere I go.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we're taking a look at Character Creator 4, the work in progress that was just announced by the folks at Revolution, and this is pretty impressive. Character Creator 4 is coming with an improved performance and advanced level tools for artists to easily create impressive characters. Users can now import, set up and create full body animation and advanced facial performances with hair and physics dynamics, as Character Creator 4 now introduces a next level set of features for its users. And with a completely reimagined Character Creator, the tools and features that it brings can easily allow anyone to rig non-human characters with custom bones and rigging tools. And with the blend shaping support for non-human characters, stylized characters can now easily come to life. And that simply means that you can go on the internet, download any character, and you can easily rig them and get them animated directly in Character Creator alongside iClone 8. For most of the parts, you can do basically most of the things you like to do in Character Creator, as it's becoming a standard tool that you can now create and work with your characters directly in there. So both stylized and non-stylized characters can now be easily rigged directly in Character Creator, and you can take advantage of a lot of things that Character Creator 4 promises. Speaking about promises, Character Creator 4 promises a scalable facial editing set of tools for both optimized ARKit motion capture files and also high detailed human expressions. The advanced facial performance for characters is also another new improvement that will be coming over to Character Creator 4, with the optimized base level control for both advanced eye, pupil, eyelash, mouth, and also lip control. To achieve realistic facial expressions, these advanced and optimized set of controls will simply allow for complex range of facial motions for your character performance. And with what we have here, you can see that the basic, or should I say the standard expressions that we have is 60, and the folks at Revolution have actually increased this to 140. So we're having 140 expression sliders. That simply means the articulation and getting that perfect blend shape is now there. There's now a whole lot of dials that you can now push to get a much more realistic facial performance, and this in this sense will breathe more life to your characters than you've ever seen. And the beautiful thing is you can choose to upgrade the level of facial performance from pre-existing characters, and you can also choose to downgrade it depending on what you want. And with a bit more flexibility, you can send your characters from Character Creator over to ZBrush, do a couple of tweaks if you're not comfortable with the kind of blend shapes that you have, and you can save and return back to Character Creator and dial those in. And with that said, one of the main features that will come over to CC4 will be the ability for you to bring in your characters from different 3D apps. So Character Creator 4 now increases compatibility support for DAZ G3 and G4, Blender Human Meta Rig, Maya Human IK, Max Biped, and Mixamo rigs. And for those who are thinking about exporting back and forth with Unreal Engine rigs are also rumored to be supported with Character Creator 4. And if you're an animator and you're thinking about setting up physics and spring dynamics for your characters, then Character Creator 4 have you covered, because Character Creator 4 is promising a follow-through rig animation for joint chains. So just in case you like to add some spring dynamics or maybe a physics dynamics to your character as a secondary animation or a follow-through animation for the tail or for the ear, or maybe for several parts of your character that deals with a joint chain, then you can now make these things happen with a couple of clicks. Another cool feature coming to Character Creator 4 is the preset motion. This comes with customized facial and body motion for both male, female, neutral, and stylized characters. With varying camera angles designed for easier motion observation, this allows creators to effortlessly preview characters, check body rigs for facial and full body deformation. Now from clothes to hair dynamics, and finally preparing the model for render, you can now take advantage of the preset motions to analyze your model before you confirm it for final rendering. And for those thinking about making character variations for enhanced visuals, well, Character Creator 4 is slated to ship with the Smart Human Skin Color. This feature allows users to quickly change skin color by adjusting the color of the blend maps or by simply applying these colors with ease. It's also worth noting that this is also achievable with the SkinGen plugin, which is, however, a very powerful skin layering and editing tool, but then using SkinGen to simply change the character's skin tone might be too excessive for certain projects. And in this case, the Smart Skin Shader is a welcome development as it brings fast ethical color adjustment and photo to texture balance. Now for those thinking about bringing in assets, character assets can now be batch imported and transferred to an already existing characters. Now with what we have here, you can download whatever you want from Sketchfab or from any other store, and you can bring it directly into Character Creator and map these onto your characters. And with functions like this, adding props and clots to your characters have never been easier. It's also worth knowing that Character Creator 4 would be an all-round tool once it gets released for animators and character crowd artists. With the new actor build, standard characters can now be easily converted to game meshes, which are now totally rigged with standard bones and with all their materials and textures baked into one. This would simply allow for scalability and increased performance when multiple and complex crowd characters are being created. So for those who would like to check this out, I'm going to put a link in the description that will bring you right here where you can check out all of the cool things the Character Creator is offering. And for those who would like to see the compatibility with what you currently have with Character Creator 3 and also some pretty impressive features that will be coming over to Character Creator 4, I'm also going to put a link in the description that can bring you right over here where you can check it out. And for those who like to take a look at Relution, check out what Relution stands to offer. Links is also going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.